Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, ArchieLuxury channel. And guys, can you see a new fridge sponsor? That's right, a new fridge sponsor. AbleWelding.com. AbleWelding.com. And I gotta tell you guys, these people here have sent me a wonderful present. Dear Archie, my husband came across your site and can't get enough. He loves the way you express yourself in reviewing watches. He hopes to get a Rolex someday. For now, he has to settle with a Breitling. Breitling's a great watch. I'm wearing a Zenith for today. If you were a lady, I would start to be worried about how much he watches your program. I can hear him laughing from the other side of the room when he retells your story. He has a big grin on his face. Thank you so much. And if you ever came to New York, we would love to take you out for dinner. Enclosed, please find a token of our company items. Yes, sirree. This is for Able item. By the time you get this, my husband will send you $50 to hang the magnets on the fridge. If only he can stop laughing and put the phone down from watching you. Keep up the good work. Your fans in New York, Dominic and Enza. And I got to tell you, they sent me a beautiful notepad. This is for Able Welding. Able Welding, that's correct. Able Welding, licensed welders, established 1949, serving commercial, industrial, trade, and general. Phone 718-259-3616. 718-259-3616. Heavy-duty welding and custom fabrication. Materials supplied and cut to size. Aluminium, bronze, brass, copper, cast iron, magnesium, steel, stainless, and tool steel. There we go. They're in Brooklyn, New York. There we go. Thank you. And they sent me an absolute wonder of stuff. They sent me the Able Welding bag. Thank you so much there. Very, very cool indeed there. They sent me the Able Welding. They showed me what they do exactly. Able Welding, very welding and welding repairs that they do. Thank you so much. Able Welding, very cool guys indeed. Absolutely amazing stuff these guys do. Able Welding, and very cool indeed. They tell me all about the things that Able Welding does. Able Welding themselves. Welding and repairs, fabrication, materials supplied, radio dispatch, mobile equipment, complete machine shop facilities, van and truck equipment and accessories, security and theft protection. Able Welding. Very cool indeed. They also sent me a beautiful Able Welding tape measure. Thank you so much. That will come in handy. Very handy indeed there. Able Welding. Yes, Able Welding indeed there. Very handy. The other things they've sent me. They sent me a Able Welding letter opener, screwdriver with removable head there. That's very cool. Oh, and it's also, wow, that's a really cool combo screwdriver there. They sent me all sorts of gear. Oh wow, a flashlight as well. Able Welding flashlight, thank you so much. Pens, rulers, absolutely everything. Pans and wow, look at this here. Able Welding keyring. The guys at Able Welding, they've sent me a lot of stuff. So I want to say thank you very much. Able Welding, thank you so much, guys. I do appreciate it. And guys, thank you so much for your support. I'm ArchieLuxury. Make sure if you need welding done in the Brooklyn, New York area, get on to Able Welding. See you later. Guys, it's really dishonest to jump into bed with garbage. It's really dishonest. It's really dishonest. I mean, I've been approached hundreds of times by shitter brands. I said no. I said no. No shitters. No shitters. So just remember that when you're picking your YouTube gurus, don't always go for the one who everything's wonderful, everything's great, because it ain't the case. It ain't all fucking wonderful. Oh, and don't forget, fuckaroonies, like, subscribe, and tell your fuckhead friends. And don't forget to mention the ArchieLuxury travel channel. That's where I'm doing live shows, fuckers.